Want to get awesome at personal finance? There are 5 key things you need to master. These aren't just random money hacks. They are the proven steps that can take you from struggling with money to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. We'll start simple and then move into the strategies that most beginners overlook. Step 1. Define your financial goals. The first personal finance tip is knowing exactly where you want to go. If you don't set clear goals, your money will control you instead of you controlling it. So, ask yourself, what do I really want? Maybe you want to buy a house, retire early, travel every year, or build generational wealth for your kids. Write those goals down. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to retire someday, say, I want to retire at 50 with $1 million portfolio. This is what the FIRE movement, Financial Independence, Retire Early, is all about. Putting real numbers on your dreams. For example, a home in the suburbs might cost $250,000. Annual travel, $5,000, $10,000. A freedom fund, $1,000 for full independence. Once you know your numbers, you can actually create a wealth-building plan instead of just hoping things work out. Step 2. Understand the cost of your lifestyle. Now that you have your financial goals, you need to know how much your dream life will cost. This is where smart budgeting strategies come in. Break down your expenses: housing, transportation, food, vacations, insurance, kids' education, even hobbies. Add them all up. Then add at least 10% for taxes and unexpected costs. Here's a test. If you lost your job tomorrow, how many months could you maintain your lifestyle? Less than 12 months? Big problem. 12 months or more, you're in a good position. This is why money management is so critical. Knowing your real cost of living lets you prepare for worst-case scenarios instead of being caught off guard. Step 3. Create a budget and emergency fund. This is where most people fail. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about directing your money toward your goals. Set up a budget that tracks both income and expenses. Use simple apps or even spreadsheets, and always include an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Example: goal, buy a $250,000 house, annual vacations, $10,000, freedom fund, $1,000. With a conservative 7% annual return from index funds, you'll know exactly how much you need to save each month to hit your target in 20 years. That's the power of compound interest and long-term investing. Step 4. Automate your savings and investments. One of the best personal finance hacks is automation. If you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a high-yield savings account, a retirement account like 401k or IRA, low-cost index funds or ETFs. For example, if your plan requires $200 per month, schedule an automatic transfer. That way, wealth building happens in the background without relying on willpower. This is how you build passive income and long-term wealth, small, consistent contributions over time. Step 5. Stay focused and avoid distractions. This is where discipline comes in. The market will go up and down. There will always be hype around crypto, hot stocks, or get-rich-quick schemes. Ignore the noise. Wealth is built by consistently saving, sticking to your budget, holding long-term investments. Avoiding panic selling. Financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about patience and consistency. Stay focused on your plan, and your future self will thank you. So to recap, define your goals. Calculate your lifestyle costs. Build a budget and emergency fund. Automate your savings. Stay focused on the long game. Master these 5 personal finance tips, and you'll be way ahead of 90% of people. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to Wealth Unlocked, and share this video with someone who wants to take control of their money. Remember, financial freedom isn't about making millions overnight. It's about making smart decisions today that pay off for decades.